Hey, it's Cayman here with Pocket Yacht. Right now I'm sitting on our Cutwater C24. It's a used 2016. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a walk around and show you guys all the great things about it. So this boat's powered by a Yamaha 300 with fully hydraulic steering. It's got a nice swim platform. It makes it really easy to egress and degress off the boat. And if we come over here into the cockpit, we got nice seating right here by the back for 2 people. And we also, if you open up our door right here, you can see your access to your propane and your lithium battery. So coming into the cockpit, what we got right here is we got a fully adjustable window that comes up and a seat right here so you can look out, and it also turns in so you can sit right here at this table. And across from that, we have a fully electric stove. You can use alcohol too if you need to, and freshwater sink and ample storage under here so you can do all your cooking needs. And if you come over here, this table actually folds all the way down, pushes down so you can sleep here if need be. And underneath this seat is another sleeping area. Right here we have a second chair, sit here again, or turns in for a co-captain's chair. And right under that we have the microwave, and across from that we got a fridge. So all that stuff you need for cooking is right next to each other. And if we come right into the cockpit, we have a full Garmin GPS system, a Yamaha user interface for your engine, and bow thrusters, and boats this size usually don't have them, which is great. Alright, so coming into the main berth here, we got a nice sleeping arrangement, a wet head that comes out from the bathroom so you can shower, a toilet there too, and I'm 6 foot and I'm standing here. I can pull this curtain right here across and I can shower pretty comfortably. We also got a nice TV for you to watch while you're hanging out, and not to mention the sink. Hey, thanks for coming on board this C24 with me. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. You can reach me at 904-206-6734. And again, my name's Cayman with Pocket Yacht.